Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, it's the Cooking Nurse, and today we are going to be seeing how to make soft and layered chapatis. So let's get started. However, if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, also leave me a comment. We'll need a large bowl where we're going to mix everything. Then we need cooking oil, eggs, a glass of milk, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. So I put in 2 cups of wheat flour, add in the salt and then the sugar. I'll put in my 2 eggs and give this a mix until everything is like together. Then put in the milk and knead with my hands until I have a fine dough, smooth and soft. So you keep on putting in the milk in bits until you have the fine consistency, because sometimes you may measure it and you don't use all of it, or sometimes you can use all of it and need more. So you put in bits. We are using warm milk because it's easier for it to mix up, and it makes the chapatis a bit softer at the end of the process compared to using cold water. So I knead this until I have fine dough. I keep on adding in some oil until it actually goes off my hands. Now this oil is going to help it keep softer and smoother on the inside after cooking, as opposed to not putting any. You can replace this oil with margarine or butter and it will work just as perfect. I'm going to put this on a board and knead it one more time, then cover it up for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour, or even overnight. The longer it stays, the softer the product is going to be. So I put on some oil and sprinkle it over so that it doesn't dry out and we get cracked dough. So here we are. It's been going. You can tell the difference from when we put it and right now. This looks a bit more smooth compared to what we put in. Put some little flour on the board and knead this one more time. Yes, one more time before we cut it into how many chapatis we are going to make out of it. So I'm going to roll out each piece into whichever shape, because I am going to roll them out twice. Remember I said we are making layered soft chapatis. So I roll these ones out, then apply cooking oil in the middle and then roll it again like you're going to see to make a circular ball. So those are going to be the layers that you get in the final product. So I layer them like this and then roll them into a circular shape Also, that is going to help when you're rolling the final product out. It becomes more circular as opposed to when you just pick the dough and then roll it out immediately. Most times we tend to mess up on the shape, but this way of folding them helps you get the right shape and more tastier chapatis because they have layers, crunchy layers. The same thing with this one. Roll it up and then into a circle. So these are how many we've been able to make out of our dough, and we are going to let them sit for about 5 minutes. Then we'll roll each one of them out and then pan fry them. Put some little oil on the pan and put the rolled out chapatis. So when they start to puff up, I apply some oil on the top side also and then flip it so that the other side can also cook. So I add in some little oil in the sides because usually it doesn't reach there and I don't want them to dry out. I'm cooking mine on very low heat so that they don't burn. They just get golden brown. And just like that, we are done. These are the chapatis we were able to make, and you can tell, you can see how soft they look, and trust me, they were tasty. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends the link, and see you soon. Bye.